Creating a Brevo account is a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide. Visit the Brevo website. Go to the Brevo website at brevo.com. Sign up. Click on the Sign Up Free or Get Started button, usually found on the homepage. Fill in the registration form with your email address and create a password. Alternatively, you can sign up using a Google account for quicker access. Complete account details. After signing up, you'll be prompted to provide more details about your business. Fill in your company name, website URL, and other required information. Verify your email. Brevo will send a verification email to the address you provided. Check your inbox and click on the verification link to confirm your email address. Set up your profile. Log into your Brevo account and complete your profile setup. Provide additional details like your business address, industry, and contact preferences. Explore features. Once your account is set up, you can start exploring Brevo's features. Navigate through the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the tools available for email marketing, contact management, and more. Upgrade plan. If needed, you can choose a paid plan that suits your business needs by visiting the pricing section.